Ever wondered how to use AI to generate trending YouTube content? Ponder no more, as today we delve into the world of artificial intelligence, specifically OpenAI's ChatGPT, and how it's revolutionizing content creation. Imagine having a co-writer who never sleeps, doesn't ask for coffee breaks, and is always brimming with ideas. That's ChatGPT for you. A language model developed by OpenAI, ChatGPT uses machine learning to generate human-like text, and it's been making waves in the content creation industry. So how does one harness the power of ChatGPT? It's simpler than you might think. First, you need to prompt ChatGPT. Like a creative spark, a prompt can be anything: a line, a question, or even a word. Feed this into the model, and it will respond with a text output. Next, it's time to fine-tune your AI. ChatGPT learns from a dataset of diverse internet text, but you can also customize it to your liking. Want it to sound like Shakespeare? Or maybe you prefer a more modern, conversational tone. You have the power to adjust the model's temperature and max tokens to control its randomness and length of response. Now, you may be wondering, how can I use this for YouTube content? Well, think of ChatGPT as your brainstorming buddy. It can generate video ideas, draft scripts, create video descriptions, and even help with video tags. And the best part? It's available round the clock. But remember, while ChatGPT is incredibly powerful, it's not perfect. It doesn't understand context like humans do, and it may produce outputs that are off-topic or nonsensical at times. It's important to review and edit the generated content to ensure it aligns with your vision and audience. To summarize, ChatGPT is a potent tool for content creation. It starts with a prompt, followed by fine-tuning to match your style. Use it to brainstorm ideas, draft scripts, and more. However, always review and edit the generated content. In this age where content is king, ChatGPT offers an innovative way to stay ahead of the curve. It's like having a tireless, creative companion at your side, ready to generate content at a moment's notice. It's not just the future of content creation, it's the present. And it's here to stay, so are you ready to embrace the AI revolution? With ChatGPT, the power to create compelling, trending YouTube content is now at your fingertips.